Hello and welcome back to Career Launcher. Now it's only 21 days more to go to CAT 2021. And if you look at the quantitative ability section, you'll typically find, even in the last 4 or 5 years of CAT, if you go through the papers, you'll typically find that essentially it is arithmetic and algebra heavy. While geometry and modern math are also important topics, but the bulk of the questions appear from arithmetic and algebra. So even if you're not very good at most of the topics in algebra, there are certain topics that you need to essentially focus on. One of those topics essentially is modulus. One of those topics essentially is logarithm and quadratic equations and stuff like that. So in this video, what I'll take you through is 3 questions of algebra that have appeared in Countdown CAT 10, which is a part of our series called 45 days to CAT. Ever since 45 days, we have been releasing daily practice questions with questions covering questions that have appeared in our mocks. And I'll be taking you through 3 questions that have appeared in Countdown CAT 10 that happened last week. All right, let's take a look at this. This looks like a proper Bhayankar algebra question, but this should not be a fear. You should not fear such questions, because what is there in the bracket here is the same thing that is there in the bracket over here. So let us assume this is A and this is A. As a result, you'll get a square minus 4a plus 3 equal to 0. That means a square minus 4a plus 3 equal to 0. That means a minus 1 into a minus 3 equal to 0. That implies a is equal to 1 is one solution, a is equal to 3 is one solution. What is the sum of real solutions of this equation? I'm guessing the answer is already 1 plus 3, that is 4. However, a is equal to x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. X minus 1 by x is equal to 1. So in this case, you'll get x square minus x. You'll get 2 roots for x over here, right? X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So you'll get 2 roots and both of them are real. What is going to be the sum of the 2 roots over here? Minus b by a, which is equal to 1. So x1 and x2, if those are the 2 roots that come out of this bracket, x1 plus x2 should be equal to 1. Okay. In this case, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. B is negative, C is negative, A is positive. B square minus 4AC is bound to be greater than 0. So these are also 2 real roots. What is the sum of real roots here? If x3 and x4 are the roots over here, what is x3 plus x4? It is going to be minus b by a, which is equal to minus 3, minus of minus 3, which is equal to 3. So 1 here, 3 here. What is the sum of all real roots of this 4? That should be our answer. All right. So this is a question that can be attributed to sequences or series or even functions. This is where you will find that there is some kind of patterns in numbers, and in this kind of series, these patterns are what you need to realize. So an is equal to 2an minus 1 minus x for all n greater than or equal to 2, and a3 is given. What is a6 is given? What is the value of a6? So let us write a4. A4 should be equal to 2a3 minus x, right? So a4 should be equal to 2 times of 27, 54 minus x. Okay. What is a5? A5 should be equal to 2a4 minus x. A5 should be equal to 2a4 minus x, which is equal to a5 is 2 times of 54, 108 minus 3x. All right. 108 minus 2x minus x, so 108 minus 3x. A5, A6 should be equal to 2a5 minus x, which is equal to 2 times of 108, 216 minus 6x minus x minus 7x. This is equal to 195, because a6 is given as 195. So the moment we have arrived here, you can find 7x is equal to 21, x is equal to 3. So if x is equal to 3, we want to find the value of a7. A7 should be equal to 2a6 minus 3, which is equal to 2 times of 195 minus 3, which should be equal to 390 minus 3, which is equal to 387. That should be. Find the area of the region enclosed by the graph. X square plus y square less than or equal to 4. So x square plus y square is equal to r square is an equation of a circle. So just let's draw the circle such that the radius is 2 and the origin is 0, 0. Okay, so this is the center. The circle will look like this: 2 units on the x-axis, 2 units on the y-axis. So if we want x square plus y square less than or equal to 4, we are looking at the area that is inside this circle. We are looking only at the area that is inside this circle, right? X square plus y square less than or equal to 4. Now the other part is mod x plus mod y greater than or equal to 2. So let us first solve for mod x plus mod y equal to 2. So what will you get if you open plus minus minus plus kind of thing? So you will get x plus y is equal to 2, x minus y equal to 2, x plus y is equal to minus 2, y minus x is equal to 2. That is what we are going to get. Minus x plus y equal to 2. So basically x minus y is equal to minus 2. So that is what we are going to get. So if that is the case, let us draw the lines that look like this. X plus y is equal to 2. Passes through 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. X plus y is equal to 2 will look like this. X minus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to 2. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Passes through like this. X plus y equal to minus 2, x plus y equal to minus 2 should be completely in the third quadrant, and x y minus x is equal to 2 should be this line. So we are looking at the area that is above the square, but inside the circle. So basically, are we not looking at? Are we not looking at, if we only consider the first quadrant? If we only consider the first quadrant, or if we only consider the entire circle, what is the area of the circle? We are looking at area of the circle minus area of the rhombus that is formed. So area of the circle is pi into r square, which is equal to 4. So 4 pi minus something should be the answer. I'll go with option. I'll go with option 2. 4 pi minus something is only option 2. We are essentially interested in this area, the area between the circle and the rhombus. And now if you want to find the area of the rhombus also, अगर आपके पास time है, वक्त है और जरूरत भी है, so you can find the area of the rhombus by finding the area of 4 such triangles, which are in violet over here. 4 such triangles, right? And this triangle, the height is 2, length is 2, breadth is 2, half into 2 into 2. The area is 2, right? 2 into 4, 8. So the total area is going to be 4 pi minus 8, which is equal to 4 times of pi minus 2, which should be option